Welcome to the shop. Tonight, we're working on a project that you might have seen before. Yeah, and I'll put a link to it up here. It's a playlist for Project Hurricane. I built this little Jeep for my son and sons a couple years back, and I have a series on that in that link. And it is in the shop for one of its first major breakdowns. Let's check it out. I'll show you what broke and we'll get it fixed up and back on the road. All right, so I got my helpers out here. What do you guys say? Who's responsible for this carnage?
Not me.
I think it was you. Punk. All right. So if you remember what the front axle looked like, or what the subframe that I built looks like, this is the connection for the front axle, and this used to be part of an old lawnmower that we cut apart and we mounted it differently because it comes down and it mounts on this part under here. Oh, come on, there we go. It mounts under here, and I used this plate to weld between them, and then this to give it a double shear. Well, what happened is it hit something pretty hard and it broke just a couple little tack welds off of here and here, which allowed the front axle to move around quite a bit more than it should. The good news is it was my fault. They were light tack welds because I wanted to be able to take it apart again if I had to service it for any reason. So it broke at those tack welds, and so what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit more of a serious tack weld in there, and if it needs service again, we will use the plasma cutter and build a new one. But for now, we're going to clean this up a little bit, finish those tack welds, and get it back on the trail. Ready? Let's do this. Okay. Who bumped the time lapse and ruined it? Yeah, I thought so.
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know either. All right. Well, we had a time lapse going, but we lost it. I welded in here. I re-welded those two tacks, and it is back to normal. And we removed the winch part bumper there as per his request. He had asked me a while ago to build him a winch bumper, and I have been putting it off, but tonight, because that was broken, we decided that we would remove the plastic winch bumper because it kind of looks cooler, and that'll give me the opportunity to kind of model a new one and build it without having to remove this one first. So that's it for now. Thanks for stopping out, and what do you guys say?
It's not broken anymore.
It's not broken anymore, so what are you gonna do?
Drive it.
Go off-roading! Alright, well, if you liked it, like and subscribe. Go check out the other ones for the other videos for when I built this thing. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. And if you like it, share it and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.